My name's Gelf, I'm the executive chef of River Cottage, so everything food related that happens really goes through me. We try and teach people to just live a more sustainable lifestyle centred around great food. Today we're doing fish and shellfish, which has been one of my passions for my entire chef's career. We're on the south coast, we've got the best ingredients down here and we'll be showcasing them to their absolute maximum. So this was caught out in the Lyme Bay Reserve by a fisherman called Nigel on his boat called KT Sam 2. We're going to do an introduction on how to purchase and source sustainable fish, and then we're going to work with a round fish. We're going to descale it, we're going to fillet it, run your knife down in nice confident cuts, and then we're going to cook it perfectly with a crispy skin and baste it in butter. Then we're going to move on to flatfish. Today we've got this beautiful place in front of us. This filleting method is called a cross-cut fillet. And then we're also going to learn how to roast on the bone, and we're going to cook that with some veg from the garden. We've got the mackerel in, we're going to salt it and we're going to smoke it and make a beautiful pate. You simply can't make this unless you smoke your own mackerel. And then we've got shellfish, so we've got clams, cockles and mussels. 3 great dishes with those, lots of veg and herbs going into those to really boost them up. The thought of deboning and filleting fish can be something that people aren't keen on, but hopefully we can show you some great tricks and great methods that show it's really easy to deal with. Hopefully people will be much more confident once they've seen how easy it is to make fish really delicious, and it's really good for us as well, and it's just something that should be enjoyed more. Big bold flavours coming through. It's great to learn online because you can do it in your own home, in your own comfort zone. We lead busy lives. It's not easy to get away to a cookery school all the time. You can do this in half an hour at a time. You can rewind it, you can study things again. That's the real boon of it, is you've got this forever, so you can keep revisiting the bits you haven't got quite right and really perfect those skills.